Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new session in which we will decode the concept of transpose of a matrix. Suppose that you have a matrix A which look like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I. So, these are the elements of your matrix. Now, suppose that you wish to find out A transpose. So you can write A power T or A dash. Now, what does this means? This means that you have to change rows into columns or columns into rows. So you will be writing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I. Okay. So this is your transpose of a matrix. If you will observe, you will find that these diagonal elements are remain unchanged, A, E, and I. Now we will try to understand this thing. I hope now you know what is transpose of a matrix. Now later we have to study symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so these are the two things that you have to study. Now suppose that if you try to find out transpose of A and A transpose both are equal, then you can say that your matrix is symmetric. Okay, if A equals A transpose, then it is symmetric matrix. Also, if you can write A equals minus of A transpose, then it will become skew symmetric matrix. Okay, there are certain points that you have to keep in mind for skew symmetric matrix. Now you know that these elements are unchanged, and you also know that for symmetric matrix A transpose should be equal to minus of A. It is only possible if these diagonal elements are 0, then only that minus sign will not affect. Correct? So can I say that diagonal elements are 0? So first you have to make sure that the diagonal elements are 0. Okay, now you have to understand determinant. Okay, so I'm representing triangle. Okay, triangle means determinant. So if you wish to find out determinant of skew symmetric matrix, first you have to observe the order. Determinant of order odd. So if the order is odd, means 3 cross 3, 5 cross 5, 7 cross 7, okay, 1 cross 1. So in these cases the determinant will be 0. Okay, or suppose that determinant of even order, okay, of order even, in that case determinant will be perfect square. Okay, perfect square, please manage. Okay, perfect square number. I hope you guys can memorize these terminology, that what is A transpose, what is symmetric matrix, what is skew symmetric matrix, and you have to also digest the fact that skew symmetric matrix will have certain property. Okay, and those properties will be like the diagonal elements will be 0. Okay, determinant of even or order even. Okay, if order is even, then it is perfect square perfect square number, and if it is odd, the determinant will become 0. Okay, I hope these things you can keep in your mind. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.